Hi, in this session I am going to explain about how to set a page in CorelDRAW application. How to create a page or how to set up a page in CorelDRAW application. So once you open the CorelDRAW app, so you can find the menu bar here. This is file, it's a menu. So click on it. Now you can find a new submenu under the menu file. So this is a submenu we can call, and here you just select new, or you can directly use Ctrl+N from the keyboard to open a new document. Just click on it. So another new small pop-up window will open. So this consists different parameters. So in this, the first one is the name. Name is a name of the document under which you are going to create a page. So this is the name of my file that I am going to create a page. And if you observe this size parameter, so you have a drop down list here. You can find different types of sizes. So if you want to go for a legal, you have a legal. If you want to create a letter page, you have a letter page. You can even create a business card, or we can even select envelopes of different sizes, or we can go for a photo card, or if you want to go for a web banner, you have a web banner page creation, or we can even create a web page, or we can go for a normal pages like A0 to A6 and B1, B2, C1, C2. So if you observe or if you compare with other apps, this CorelDRAW has the many features. So the main feature is you will be having a different sizes of the pages. So you have a lot of patterns, document pattern, or you have a different types of page styles, you can select it. So here if I select letter here, and if you observe, this two, width and height, are the two parameters of the page. So and the units for width and height is inches. In this drop down list, if you observe here, if you click on it, so you have a lot of units here. You can have millimeters, you can have points. If you want to present some graphical representation, you can go and select pixels also. You have centimeters, you have meters, you have kilometers. So whatever the units you have, you want to give for the parameters width and height, you can select it. Inches to kilometers, meters, whatever that, you can select it. So usually for the paper, for the page, we usually select inches as a units. Now here if I select letter, automatically the 8.5 and 11 of width and height is displayed, which is a default size for the letter. So if I select an envelope size, see if you can observe these two parameters width and height, this is 9.5 and 4.13. So if I want to change the width and height, then I can go and select the custom size. So if I select the custom, now you have a provision to keep changing of your width and height. If you observe, these two arrows are helpful for increasing the value, the upper arrow, and for decreasing the values, down arrow. So even for height also you can increase it or decrease it. So whatever, or you can directly type the value from the keyboard. So here width is 20 and height is 30. Okay. Now here if you observe these two icons, this is portrait and this is landscape. These two are the orientation of the page for which you are going to create. So if I select portrait, which is nothing but from top to bottom, the presentation will be top to bottom. If I select landscape, it will be from side to side. So these two are the orientation of the page for which you are going to create. So I have just selected portrait. And here you have an option here for creation of multiple pages here itself. So the number of pages, if you want to give, you can just increase the upper arrow, or you can use the down arrow, or you can directly type the number of pages here. Since we are just discussing of a page set for a one page, I have given number 1. And you can leave the rest of the options or rest of the parameters. Hence we are only discussing of the setting up of a page. So to set up a page, we just give a name for a file, under which you are going to create a page, and just select the size and give parameters and the units, and you can select either landscape or portrait position and just say OK. Now if you observe this is my custom page of width. This is the property bar or property box of my current page. So this you can find it from Windows and go to the toolbars. Here you have a property bar. If I uncheck it, that is gone. If I want to view it back, click Windows, go to the toolbars and click property bar. You can view it again. So you can observe here, this is the custom of width and height, and these two are our orientation position. After creation of the page also, if you want to change the orientation, you can just select it. Now this is our landscape position. This is the units of inches, and this are the other parameters which is not required for our setting up of a page. Okay, so if you want to change the paper size, you can just select it from the drop down list. You can go for whatever the paper you want. You can just select legal. So for the legal, default width and height will come here, and this is how you can select or set the page in the CorelDRAW.